Now the heart of our presentation here is twin star dual redundancy. It is a failover solution for Asterisk-based PBX, but not only the PBX, it covers the telephony interfaces as well. So this is a complete failover solution, not just for the hardware, but also for the telephony interfaces. Let's see how it works. There's a mechanism for a quick and automatic failover process that detects that there's a failure on the server and goes to backup, keeping downtime to an absolute minimum, as you'll see shortly when we do the live demo. Now this is a firmware-based switching mechanism, so it's not network dependent. The components of the solution: 2 Asterisk servers. They are identical in configuration. One is the primary and the other is the backup. The connecting feature here is our Astrobank. It has a dual USB ports on the back. I've got each server connected to the Astrobank via USB connection. The firmware in the Astrobank is what's doing the monitoring of the status of the primary server. Once it discovers that a primary has gone down, it takes action. Here's the setup: master server on the left, backup server on the right, Astrobank with the firmware in the middle. For standard operation, the master is active. The telephony via the Astrobank is working as normal. This is a kind of a enlargement of the 2 USB ports that are on the back of this unit, so that each one is connected to a server, one to the primary, one to the backup. If the master server fails, the firmware switches all of the telephony to the backup server. Now the backup is working as the main PBX. In this situation, calling your technician, find out what's wrong with the primary server, fix it, and you can switch back. But in the meantime, you have a functioning server with all telephony interfaces. Okay, ready for the live demo? Just to show you that the primary server is currently active, I'm going to make a phone call. That would help. See how the LEDs on the Astrobank react. You see that it's ringing, the calls are active here. Okay, that's okay. I'm disconnecting the power from the primary, okay? No power, thing shuts down, lost the call. I really hope this doesn't happen to you in your organization.
The backup PBX is now active.
Did anybody time that? Okay, very kind of fluid. You know, if a call were in progress, obviously when I unplugged the server, we would have had a trouble, you know, with that call, it would have dropped. But you saw that almost instantaneously, the backup server picked up and gave dial tone to the existing telephones that are connected via the Astrobank, which is connected via USB.